Good morning, everyone. Today I thought I'd do a little short yoga. We're going to be doing lots of twists today, and twists are very good for detoxing the body. So let's begin just with centering ourselves. So sitting in easy cross leg, if that's comfortable for you. If not, you can sit with your legs out. So we're going to just take the flesh from our sit bones. Hands resting on the knees. Just relax the shoulders down. Close the eyes for a few moments. And just notice your sit bones grounded into the mat. Try and sit up tall in your spine. So think of a golden cord coming from the ceiling to your head, pulling you upwards. A few breaths here. Slowly open the eyes. So beginning with our first twist, take the left hand to the right knee and bringing the right hand behind you. Push into the fingertips so that your spine is tall rather than letting it collapse here. Take a breath in. And as you breathe out, twist to look over your right shoulder. Breathing into the right side of our body here. And slowly come back to center. Switch to the opposite side, right hand to left knee. Push through the fingertips of the left hand. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, twist to look over the left shoulder. Only if that's comfortable for the neck. Otherwise, you can keep your gaze forward or to the side. And slowly coming back to center. Just place hand on either knee. This time we're going to come into our cat-cow from sitting. So you're going to bring the belly button to the spine as you round your back, and then inhale, bringing the chest through your shoulders as you gaze up. So exhale as you round, and inhale, come forward. Follow your own breath. Everyone's breath is different. Another two. Bring yourself back to center. So keep the left knee bent, and you're going to take the right foot back. So your left foot is resting along the front of your right thigh. Take the right hand onto the right shin. This is our mermaid pose. We're going to hinge over with the left hand, getting a stretch right down the left side. And then slowly coming up, rotate your body over the front leg. So this is where our twist comes in. Now you may find this enough of a twist, and that's fine. You can stay there. Or if you want to go deeper, you can walk your hands out towards this front corner of your mat. So you're twisted. You can come down onto stacked fists here, or you can rest the forehead on the forearms. So getting a good twist into the back, into the spine. Take a few breaths here, relaxing and releasing any tension. One more deep breath. Slowly bring yourself up. Switching to the opposite side. So this time bringing the right leg back. Sorry, the left leg back. The right foot is resting on the left thigh. Grabbing hold of the left shin, coming into your mermaid, reaching over, stretching down that right side. Try and relax the neck here, relax the jaw. Once again, coming into our twist, so turning over that front leg, both hands in front, and either staying there, as I say, you're still twisting there, and you should still feel that into your lower back, or if you wish to go a bit deeper, walk your hands out towards the front of the mat, coming down onto stacked fists or onto the forearms. One more deep breath in and out. Slowly come up. You may hear my stomach rumbling. Twists are also great for getting the digestive system working. Bringing the legs out in front of you. Just hug the right knee in and then cross it over your legs. So keep the left foot flexed, and you're going to use your left arm and just wrap it around that right knee and bring the right hand behind you, coming into our twist. So try and roll that right shoulder back and just gaze either straight ahead or to the side, whatever's comfortable for your neck. You will feel the stretch into your shoulders as well. Slowly bring yourself back to center. Lift that right leg and bring it back on the inside of that knee, and just let that knee fall out. We'll just come into a forward fold here. So we're going to inhale, reach the arms up. Try and keep that length as you hinge from your hips forward towards that foot. Either grab hold of the shin or the foot. Try and keep relaxing that right knee down towards the mat. So we're trying to keep our back straight here rather than rounding down. It's more about reaching forward and lengthening in your spine and hinging from the hip. Slowly release the foot or the shin. Bring that knee up and extend the right leg long. Bring the left knee in. Cross it over the right leg. So keep the right foot flexed. This time, taking the right arm and wrapping it around the left leg and bringing the left hand behind. So again, you can be in the fingertips here. Take a breath in, and as you twist, just twist round. Not to look over your shoulder this time. You're just looking to the side. Keep rolling that left shoulder back too, so you're getting a good stretch into the shoulders. Bring yourself back to center. Uncross that leg, bring it on the inside of the knee and let that hip fall out. So the right leg is straight. We're going to inhale up. Exhale, keep that length, hinge forward towards the shin or the foot. And you may notice you'll get a bit deeper or a bit less deeper on one side than the other. Totally normal. We all have one side tighter than the other normally. Keep pushing that left knee down towards the mat. Just keep reaching the chest forward, gazing down at your knee or your toes. And one more deep breath. Release. bring yourself up. Just swing the knees round to come into your tabletop. So hands under shoulders, knees under hips. So we're going to come into our thread the needle. We're going to inhale the right arm up, and then you're going to thread it in and under. Now you may be up here, or you may be able to come down onto your shoulder if that's accessible. Just go to your own level, and then you can slide the left hand to the top of the mat just to give you a little bit more resistance. So pushing through that left hand to twist you a little bit deeper, and try and keep the hips centered. They may want to tilt towards the right, but try and keep them centered. Use your breath to release the tension. Remember not to hold your breath or your muscles will tighten. And if you had your hand at the top of the mat, just slide it back. Push yourself up, bringing yourself back into tabletop. This time inhaling the left arm up, threading it in and under, either staying up or bringing yourself down onto that shoulder and extending the right arm towards the top of the mat, trying to keep the hips centered. Sliding that hand back to push yourself up. This time we're going to come down onto our back, bringing yourself down. So we're going to cross the left leg over the right, and I just want you to lift the hips and slide them just to the left of the mat, or to the left side of the mat. Bring your arms out into a T and just let the toes roll to the right. Now our shoulders aren't lifting here, our shoulders are staying grounded on the mat. It's just our lower body twisting. So chest is facing up towards the ceiling. This is giving us a good stretch into the lower back. Use that breath, slow deep breaths, releasing any tension. So try and let the body be relaxed. Just try and let gravity do the work here for you. And slowly bringing the knees back to center, uncross the legs. Shift the hips back into center first, and then cross the right leg over the left. Lift the hips, set them over to the right, and then let the toes roll to the left. Shoulders staying on the mat, chest facing up towards the ceiling. Nice deep breath, breathing into the right side of the rib cage. And slowly bring the legs back to center, shift the hips into the center. We're just going to hug the knees in to release the lower back. You may wish to rock up and down or side to side or make circles with the knees, just to give your back a little bit of a massage. So if you're feeling stiff and you've been sitting all day, that's a great short yoga session to do to loosen up the spine, to keep the spine healthy. And then just place your feet onto the floor, hip width apart. I want you just to rest your hands onto your lower stomach. Close down your eyes for a moment, becoming aware of the rise and fall of your stomach as you inhale and exhale. Just taking this moment for yourself, just to be with your body, to be on the mat. And notice how your body feels now. And to thank yourself for taking care of your body. Taking one more deep breath in and exhaling out. And gently blink open your eyes and slowly bring yourself up into a seated position. So thank you for doing this video. Please do hit the bell button, subscribe, like. I know you're probably fed up hearing this from many people, but it really, really does help smaller channels to grow, to get free content of yoga, face yoga out there, and well-being in our 50s. That's mainly what my channel is about. So please, as I say, do comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I wish you a good day, a good evening. I will say, as I normally do, namaste, and see you soon, hopefully. Bye for now.